This is a tutorial on how to beat Can You Escape Level 5. Go over here and collect the red crayon. Over here, collect the blue crayon. Go over here and collect the green crayon. And then, color the sunflower the correct colors. You will see symbols, blue, green, red. Use that here. Collect a piece and go to the game board. Finish the puzzle. Use the piece there. Roll the dice. Collect this Lego. Put the Lego in the slot. Roll the dice again. Collect the piece of cheese. Put it in the slot. Roll the dice. Go over here and collect the Rubik's Cube. Put it in the slot. Go over here and collect the tennis ball. Also, put that in the slot. Collect the train tracks. Put it in the tracks. Make the train go. Collect that. Go to the elevator and put it in the slot. You have just beat level 5.